Hello everyone, welcome to Kaparti Institute, a famous premium institute for UPSC CAPF Assistant Commandant examination. In this presentation, we'll be going through the pattern and the suggested books. The exam pattern for UPSC CAPF Assistant Commandant examination is as follows. First, we have a written examination. In that, we have two papers. First one is of objective, multiple choice questions, and second paper we have descriptive. All those who have qualified for the written examination will be selected for interview in UPSC Bhavan. After that, based on the merit list, we get a chance for the physical examination, followed by medical examination, and then the final merit list comes. Paper 1 of written examination, the following are the topics and books to read. For history, art and culture, you have to go through Introduction to Indian Art and also Nitin Singhani notes. For ancient and medieval India, you can go through Lucent General Studies book. For modern India, which has maximum number of questions from history, you have to go through Spectrum. Coming to geography, India and world, 11th and 12th NCERT book, GC Leong, Geography through mapping by KBC Nano, and World Atlas. For polity, Lakshmikant is the most referred book. Economy, Sanjeev Verma, Economic Survey and Budget of that financial year. For science, Lucent General Studies book. For environment, Shankar IAS study material. For current affairs, the Hindu newspaper and Vision IAS current affairs material, which is released on a monthly basis. Coming to general mental ability, R.S. Agarwal is the most referred and preferred book. Coming to paper 2, which is descriptive. As you all know, if you have to write good, you have to practice well. So answer writing practice is must and should for fetching good numbers in mains. You should practice flowcharts, pie charts, India map and world map so that while writing the answers, you can present the same and get good numbers. You have to make a note of quotations of great scholars, freedom fighters to increase the chance of scoring. You can quote reports, commission names, international bodies in the answers, for example, as per second ARC, as per economic survey, etc. So the examiner will give you additional marks. Practice mock tests as much as you can for better answer presentation and time management. You should and will practice precise writing, argument writing, grammar and essays. Here are some points you have to note during your preparation time. For basics, you must read NCERT books or summary of NCERT books so that the things are clear before you go into advanced studies. In history, more focus should be given to modern history compared to ancient and medieval history. In geography, concepts should be read with the help of atlas and also combine static topics with current issues. Polity by Lakshmikant is the best book to get more numbers in polity. Economy, more number of questions will come from economic survey, budget and from current issues. From general science, more questions will be coming from biology, physics, science and technology and most importantly from current affairs. Current affairs is one such issue which will be touched upon on all questions. So you have to link even the concepts you study to current affairs. Environment by Shankar IAS is the most suggested and read. Following by the written examination, you will be called for interview. Once the interview is over, you will be called for the physical examination. In physical examination, you have 4 tests. First is a 100-meter race For males, you have to complete it in 16 seconds, and for females, it is 18 seconds. Then followed by 100 meters, you immediately have an 800 meters race, which you have to complete in 3 minutes 45 seconds for males and 4 minutes 45 seconds for females. Followed which you have long jump of 3.5 meters, and you have to do it in 3 chances. And for females, it is 3 meters. Shot put is 4.5 meters, and it is just a qualifying one, and you have to do it in only one attempt. Please contact us for further information. Following are the phone numbers and address. Thank you and see you in Kaparti Institute, the road to success.